Yes, Baladitya, please. Baladitya, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Find the equation of the line parallel to y-axis and drawn through the point intersection of the lines. X minus 7y plus 5 is equal to 0 and 3x plus y is equal to 0
3x
plus y is equal to 0.
plus y equals to 0.
Yes, sir.
And we have to find the equation of line which is parallel to y-axis. Line parallel to y-axis and passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. So someone tell me in the class that what should be the equation of line parallel to y-axis? Students,
X is equals to A.
absolutely. So let the line parallel to y-axis is x equal to a. Okay, equation 1. Now you have to get the equation of the value of a. So we will find its point of intersection. So how to find point of intersection, students? How to get the point of intersection these two lines? We have to solve these two lines. So let us solve. Solve means simple. This y value let us get and substitute in the first equation. So if I put y value, it will become x minus 7 into minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. This will give me 7 3 is 21, x plus x 22x equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 upon 22, right? And this if you substitute in 1, we'll get minus 5 upon 22 equals to a. So desired equation is that x equal to minus 5 upon 22. This is the desired equation. है ना? So thing is that you should know what is the standard equation parallel to y-axis. Equation parallel to y-axis is always of the form x equal to k, somewhat like this, right? If any line which is parallel to y-axis, what will happen on this? Any point on the line you take, it will have same x coordinate. So, है ना? Suppose this point line is passing from 1, so all points will have 1 comma something, 1 comma something. Any point on the line you take, so its coordinates will be something like this. So it means that x coordinate will be constant. So equation of line parallel to y-axis will always be x equal to constant. This is the answer. Saloni Dhakar, will you read question 7th?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Find the equation of a line drawn perpendicular to the line x upon 4 plus y upon 6 equals to 1 through the point where it meets the y-axis.
X upon 4 plus y upon 6 equal to 1.
1. Yes, sir.
So I have to find, can you repeat the question, Saloni? Can you read it again?
Find the equation of a line drawn perpendicular to the line x upon 4 plus y upon 6 equals to 1 through the point where it meets the y-axis.
Where it meets y-axis. So if you read this question properly and think about it, they are asking that first this line is given, whose equation is x upon 4 plus y upon 6. So if this is 4 and this is 6, this is the line 1. Then we have to find the equation of one more line, where which is perpendicular to this at the point where it meets y-axis. So this meets y-axis at what point? 0 comma 6. So this line equation we have to determine, and this makes 90-degree. So how to find the equation of this line? Suggestion? Hmm? Any suggestion? C section? Anyone? Hmm? Ayush Goswami, any suggestion that how to get the equation of this perpendicular line? Ayush, are you there? I'm asking in this question. They are asking. You read the question? Have you read the question? Okay. Any suggestion that how to get this equation? इसका बिल्कुल इसका स्लोप कितना हो जाएगा? Yes. So what should be slope of this line? No, 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 no. From equation, there is a direct formula. Minus a upon b. Ayush, you are watching the class on mobile. So keep the mobile in horizontal mode and in landscape mode. Auto rotate feature you switch on. Okay. Then full screen will be visible. I'm repeating, students, if any student is having a problem of that full board is not visible, then please keep the mobile in landscape mode, fixed at one particular place, and of course, auto rotate feature should be on. Ayush, now is it visible? Yes. Yes, so formula of slope when equation is given is minus a upon b, minus x multiplier minus 1 by 4 upon y multiplier is 1 by 6. So minus 6 by 4 minus 3 by 2. I have got the slope of this line. Okay, next. Yes, slope of perpendicular line m2 equal to minus 1 upon m1 minus 1 upon minus 3 by 2. So this is going to be 2 by 3. Okay, its slope I have got. Next. So equation of desired line. Ayush. Yes, the standard formula is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. So this will become y minus 6 is equal to m 2 by, yes, x minus 0. Yeah, correct. And this you can check the answer. If I simplify, if I cross multiply, it will give me 3y minus 18 equal to 2x. And if I take all the terms in one side, 2x minus 3y plus 18 equal to 0. So Ayush, you check the answer, and I hope it should be right. Is this right? No, it's quite right. M1 is minus a by b, minus 3 by 2. Now check the answer. Is this right? This is minus 3 by 2 only. Its slope. है ना? क्या हुआ? Answer not matching? Yes, it must be right. Minus slope of this line we have found, which is minus 3 by 2. Then perpendicular line slope find out करने का तरीका है minus 1 upon m1 minus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 means 2 by 3. Then point is given, है ना? This yes point से हमको line pass हो रही है 0,6 से 0,6 यहाँ पे substitute करा दिया, है ना? I hope it should be right. Okay, so let us move towards the next question. Aditya Bargurjar, are you ready? Question number 8, will you read? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Aditya, today you joined late. Huh?
Sir, there is an issue on mic. That's why
Okay,
I come from Mumbai.
okay, okay. Now can you read question 8?
Yes, sir. Find the area of triangle
Hmm.
formed by the lines
Hmm.
y minus x is equal to 0
1 minute. Y minus x equal to 0.
and
Okay.
second x plus y equal to 0
Okay.
and x minus k equal to 0.
X minus
K equal to 0.
k equal to 0. Okay. So I have to find the area of a triangle which is constructed by, so uh, whose sides are given by these equations. तो क्या किया जाए? Area of triangle, there is a formula. Is this area of triangle? But in that vertices are needed. Correct. Uh, any suggestion? मैं तब तक board clear कर रहा हूँ. आपके
So
पास
we can solve the equation first and second, then we can get coordinates
बिल्कुल
x, y.
बिल्कुल गौरवी, यू आर एब्सोल्युटली राइट, वी कैन सॉल्व दैट. लेकिन मेरा एक और सुझाव, क्योंकि ये लाइंस बड़ी इजी इजी हैं, है ना, इनके ग्राफ ड्रॉ कर ले, हो सकता है कि हमको कुछ और मतलब देखने लगे कितना आसान कितना इजी है ये. सो y इक्वल टू x लाइन, यू शुड रिमेंबर y इक्वल टू x is a line bisect the quadrant, first and third quadrant, right? Let us draw them because they are very easy lines. This is y equal to x line. Okay, I have drawn. Then this is y equal to minus x line, right? This bisects second and fourth quadrant. This also let us draw. This is y equal to minus x line, and this is x equal to k. Parallel line parallel to y axis. Draw it. I hope you can see the triangle. This is the triangle. Now, as Gorby said, that solve and find the vertices. So I hope that finding the vertices is very easy now. This vertex, without any solution, we can directly write 0 comma 0. This also we can write. Can someone tell me what should be x coordinate on this vertex? What should be x coordinate on this vertex? See, this point lies on the line x equal to k. So x coordinate certainly will be k. What should be y coordinate?
Okay.
K, because this point lies on the line y equal to x. So k only will be the y coordinate. Similarly, here this coordinate will be, x coordinate will be k and y coordinate will be, y coordinate will
Minus K.
be minus k. तो मुझे कुछ भी सॉल्व वॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ मैंने एक नजर देखा इस ग्राफ को और तीनों ही वर्टिसेस मुझे दिखने लगे. एरिया फॉर्मूला यू नो वेल, half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2. हाँ, इतना भी क्यों कर रहा हूं मैं, हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट करता हूं ना. स्टूडेंट्स इसका बेस कितना, दिस विल बी हाउ मच. See, the y coordinate is k, it means this distance is k and this is k,
2K.
2k. Base is 2k into height. This x coordinate is k, it means this distance is k. That's it. Check the answer. है ना? So it was super easy question. It should be done in the easiest manner. है ना? You draw the graph and everything will be crystal clear. Yes. Moving towards the next question. Abid, are you ready for question 9th? Abid, please read question 9th. Hmm. Hmm. Intersect at one point. Just repeat all the three lines once. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Check all the equations that I have written on board are correct. Last one. Okay. Check now. All are correct. Hmm? Yeah. So, Muhammad Abid, any suggestion that they all three lines are passing through same point, one point. So, how to get the value of P? Hmm? Abid, कोई suggestion? I have been given that these three lines are passing through same point. So, how to get the value of P? Any other student? Any suggestion?
So first we can solve first and second, third equation. We can get x and y. Then we can put in second equation. We can get p.
बिल्कुल सेम यही वर्क हम करने जा रहे हैं कि लेट अस सॉल्व फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड इक्वेशन एंड देन पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड line we will get, and because second line is also passing through the same point, so that those x and y values we will put in second equation, right? Correct. Same thing we are going to do. Let us solve first and third. So this is 3x plus y minus 2 equal to 0, and this is 2x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Solve, add them. Y get cancelled. 5x equal to 5 means x equal to 1, and if I substitute there, then 3 into 1 plus y minus 2 equal to 0, which means y equal to 2 minus 3, y equal to minus 1. So point of intersection of line 1 and 3 is 1 comma minus 1. And note that it is given that the second line is also passing through the same point, 1 comma minus 1. So note that line 2 is also passing through 1 comma minus 1. So put these 1 comma minus 1 as values of x and y respectively in equation number 2. So p into 1 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 equal to 0, which will give you p minus 5 equal to 0. P is equal to 5. Simple, easy. Yes. So it was question number probably ninth question. Question number 10th की तरफ बढ़ते हैं. Question number 10th. Somebody please read. Dhananjay, will you read question 10th? Dhananjay Lohami, are you there? Seems Dhananjay is not there. Devanshi Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Question number 10th, you please read and मुझको suggest कीजिए कि उसमें हम how to do it. Yes.
If the three lines whose equation are y is equal to m1x plus c1, y is equal to m2x plus c2, and y is equal to m3x plus c3
Okay.
are concurrent, then show that m1 c2 minus c3 plus m2 c3 minus c1 plus m3 c1 minus c2 is equal to 0.
M1 C2 minus C3 plus
M2 C3 minus C1 plus M3 C1 minus C2 is equal to 0.
Okay. So it is given that these three lines are concurrent.
So, sir, area will be 0.
Can be done. Concurrent means what? This I am asking. What is the meaning of concurrent? Devanshi or any student? What is the meaning of concurrent? Yes. Huh? I'm not able to hear properly. Yes.
A1 by B1 is
Bro.
equal to A2 by B2 is equal to A3 by B3.
A3 by B3. Students, concurrent means passing through same point. This passing through one point. So you can say that area made by these three lines, the triangle will have zero area if they are concurrent. That can be done. Or like previous question में जो हमने work किया, as somebody said that solve the equations of two lines, get the point of intersection, and that point of intersection will satisfy the third equation remaining also. That also. So put the value of x and y in that equation. So in any manner it can be done. So let us begin. I'm going to do in the manner as we have done the last question. Because these three lines are concurrent, they are passing through one point, all the three lines. Picture is like this, two lines, and the third line is also passing through the same point. This is. So let us solve 1 and 2 and put those values of x and y in third. Okay. Solving 1 and 2. So let us solve, subtract them. Simple. Subtract. Y get cancelled and 0 is equal to x common m1 minus m2 plus c1 minus c2. So x is equal to minus or c2 minus c1 upon m1 minus m2. Substituting in first, so y is equal to m1 into this x value plus c1. X value let us put. Let us take LCM. So if I take LCM, this will become m1c2 minus m1c1 plus m1c1 minus m2c1. m1c1 get cancelled and here I get y value, which is m1c2 minus m2c1 whole upon m1 minus m2. So point of intersection of line 1 and 2 is this is c2 minus c1 upon m1 minus m2, comma m1 c2 minus m2 c1 upon m1 minus m2. Okay, so this point of intersection is going to satisfy the third equation also, since line 3, which is y equal to m3x plus c3, also passes through same point. So what will happen? This point, these coordinates will satisfy this equation. So in place of x, I'm going to put this x coordinate, and in place of y, I'm going to put this y coordinate, and we will arrange it. I hope this equation should come. So let us put the values of x and y. Y in place of y, this is the equation, y equal to m3x plus c3. Y के place पे m1 c2 minus m2 c1 whole upon m1 minus m2, okay, is equal to m3 into x. X coordinate is c2 minus c1 upon m1 minus m2 plus c3. Now let us take LCM in the right hand side also. उसके बाद सोचते हैं क्या करना है. So if I take LCM in the right hand side, I will get M1 C2 minus M2 C1, and I'm multiplying with M1 minus M2 throughout. Okay, so this will become M3 multiplied with C2 minus C1 plus C3 multiplied with M1 minus M2. Uh, if you see what to show, we have to show M1 multiplied with something plus M2 multiplied with, so M1, M2, M3 should be common. M3 is common, this is quite okay, but these two terms are not okay. So let me take this in the left hand side, M1 C2 minus M2 C1 minus multiply and taking in left, M1 C3 plus M2 C3. This also let us take in left, minus M3 C2 minus C1 equal to 0. So I want M1 common. Which two terms contain M1? This and this. Let us take M1 common. M1 common, C2 minus C3. Then plus M2 common, C3 minus C2, C3 minus C1. And here let us take minus common, and this will become plus M3 already there, C1 minus C2 equal to 0. And this is the same thing which you wanted to bring. Correct, students? No, this only was the desired target. No? So what we have done just like previous question, in which we have found the point of intersection of two lines, any two lines. We have solved here first and second. Choice आपकी, आपको second and third solve करना है या first and third solve करना है, जो चाहे solve कर लीजिए. Point of intersection निकाल लिया, ये निकाला point of intersection, and जो बची हुई लाइन थी उसमें x और y की जगह पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करा दिया और डिजायर्ड स्ट्रक्चर में इसको रीअरेंज कर लिया जैसा कि मुझे लाना था. सो दिस वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 10th. So I hope you must have got it. Please complete it and let us move towards next question, question number 11th. Someone in the class, Bhavya Verma, will you read question 11th? Bhavya?
Yes, sir.
Bhavya, have you got this question, 9th? Have you got this? Sorry, 10th. Have you got this 10th question?
Sir, 10th. Yes, sir.
Question 11th, please read.
Find the equation of the line through the point 3, 2, which makes an angle of 45 degree with the line x minus 2y is equals to 3.
X minus 2y equals to 3. From this line, it makes 45-degree angle. This is the question.
Yes, sir.
And this equation we have to find out. Any suggestion, Bhavya? Bhavya, any suggestion?
So,
For equation of line passing through one point का formula क्या होता है, Bhavya? Bhavya? वो अप्लाई करा सकते हैं यहाँ पे. One point we know. Yes. So, Bhavya, what is the equation of line passing through one point? This is very basic formula. Netra, what is the formula for equation of line passing through one point?
y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1.
बिल्कुल, ये होता है फॉर्मूला. तो इसमें मेरे पास क्या क्या चीज अवेलेबल है? I have x1 y1. This is ready. Only thing m I need. So Netra, any suggestion how to get m? There is a formula for angle between two lines. Do you remember, Netra? Hmm? Or-
Yes, sir.
Yes, what is that? Angle between two lines. Formula is there. Tan theta equal to.
Y2 minus Y2 Y1 divided by X2 minus X1.
No, no. Between two lines. Angle between two lines. First line, suppose the slope is m1 and the other line slope is m2. Then
M1 minus M2 upon 1 minus M1 M2.
plus 1 plus m1 m2.
1 plus M1.
Okay. So this formula, because this equation we will find with the help of this formula. But here m I don't know. So to find out m, this m I know. Okay, let us put the values which we know. Angle between two lines is given 10, 45. 45 is given. Theta के जगह पे 45 रख दिया. M1, how much is M1? What is the slope of this line? Minus
1 by 2.
Minus 1 by 2.
1 upon minus 2. Formula है minus a upon b, है ना? So minus a x का multiplier है 1, 1 upon y का multiplier है minus 2. So minus 1 upon minus 2. This will become 1 by 2. So m1 is 1 by 2 minus m2 means this line slope which we have to find. So m2 will be m2 only whole upon 1 plus m1 is 1 by 2, m2 is m2 only. Okay. Tan 45 you should know, tan 45 is 1. LCM यहाँ पे ले लेता हूँ. This will be 1 minus 2 m2 whole upon 2 plus m2. And as we know that to solve modulus equation you should remove modulus sign and you should take plus minus on the other side. It will become plus minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2m2 upon 2 plus m2. So case 1, 1 minus 2m2 whole upon 2 plus m2 is equal to plus 1. Let us solve it. This will become 1 minus 2m2 equal to 2 plus m2 implies 1 minus 2 is equal to 2m2 plus m2. So 3m2. So implies m2 equal to minus 1 upon 3. Then equation of line, desired line is, the formula is y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. M is what just now we have got, and x1 y1 is 3 comma 2. So let us substitute the value 3 comma 2 in place of x1 and y1, and this will become y minus 2 is equal to x minus 3 into m we have got minus 1 by 3. Simplify, this will become 3y minus 6 equal to minus x plus 3. Take all the things in one side, minus x taking in left, x plus 3y minus 6 minus 3 will be minus 9 equal to 0. This is okay. So this is case 1. अभी एक case का ही आंसर है. First case answer only we have got. You can check, students. Then let us take another case. Take minus 1 here. Get m2. Then again use this formula. Okay. Let us do it. Case 2. 1 minus 2m2 upon 2 plus m2 equal to minus 1. Cross multiply, and this will become 1 plus 2 equal to 2m2 minus m2, means 3 is equal to m2, right? So equation of line is y minus, the point through the line passes is 3 comma 2. Y minus 2 is equal to 3, x minus 3. Multiply fully. Take all the terms in one side. And this will become 3x minus y equals to 7. Check the answer, please. Bhavya, are these answers right? These two answers? Case 1 and case 2. Check please and tell. Bhavya, are you there? Netra, are these answers right?
Yes, sir, 1 minute.
Bhavya, please check. And all the friends, this was
Yes, sir,
question
it's
number.
right.
ओके ओके सो माय डियर्स, एक चीज और मैं बार बार आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, क्योंकि आजकल जमाना बहुत फास्ट है एंड पीपल हैव plenty of methods and you must have seen many books, you may have many methods may be given. I request you all, whatever method you are writing, please write it properly, because this is important. I would request that to avoid jump off steps. If your answer is right, then perfect. If after jumping the step you are committing error, making mistake, and most of the students, including myself, we make mistake if we write the things directly. एंड मुझसे पूछे तो मुझे तो जब डायरेक्टली लिखे होते हैं तो समझ ही नहीं आता है किया है कैसे. तो जहाँ पे समझ में आ रहा है, जहाँ पे हमने एक डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला एक वहां पे लिखा हुआ है कि फॉर एग्जांपल इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन परपेंडिकुलर टू गिवन लाइन, या स्लोप निकालने का हमने minus a upon b, वहां पे डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला यूज है, डायरेक्टली यू आर राइटिंग, वेरी नाइस, गुड. But many places where the steps are needed, for example, if without solving you are directly writing m2 equal to 3, then you solve fast, that is okay, but give the steps, solve, write properly, this I am saying. This will help you while revision also. Otherwise everything आपने मन में किया है, ओरल कैलकुलेशन किया है, इसको लिखा नहीं है प्रॉपर्ली, देन यू मे फील कंफ्यूज्ड कि हाउ इट हैज कम व्हेन यू विल रिवाइज. So I request you all that please write the things properly, write fast, jump the steps if you are assured about your result, right? But if you have a doubt, better to write all the steps. uh, I strongly recommend that all the NCERT books questions must be solved, must be written properly, and please do not forget to match the answer, because many a times we do every step correct, but sometimes some error happens, our answer doesn't match. So who will check? You only can check. Please match your answer without fail. Let us move towards the next question. Next question is question number 12th. Someone from C section. Vedant, are you there? Will you read question next? 12th. I don't find any response from Vedant. Adhyan Sharma will read question number 12th. Yes, Adhyansh. Adhyansh, your voice is breaking. Adhyansh, your voice is not coming properly. Now can you read? Now you read. What is the second equation? Okay, 2x minus 3y plus 1 equal to 0, and has equal intercept on the axis. Okay, you can keep your mic muted. Yes, you can mute yourself, Adarsh. Yes. Okay. So students, they are asking, find the equation of a line which passes through the point of intersection of these two lines. Right? Please see the question in your textbook. Without reading the question, you certainly will not get the things. So please read the question. And better you read twice that question. So they are asking that there is a line which passes through the point of intersection of these two, and our desired line has equal intercept on the axis. So somebody tell me, what should I assume the equation of our desired line? Let the desired line is, which makes equal intercept on axis. Can someone tell me, how should I assume?
X upon A plus Y upon A is equals to 1.
Bilkul. Let the equation of our desired line is x upon A plus y upon B hota hai, but here equal intercept means B is also equal to A, equal to 1. This I have assumed. You can see that LCM will be A, and if I take in the right hand side, this will be x plus y equal to A. So I am simplifying it. This will become x plus y equal to A. Now only thing is to get the value of A. How to get? One information is given that your line, your desired line is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. इनका point of intersection निकाल लेते हैं. ठीक है, चलिए शुरू हो जाते हैं. So let us find the point of intersection of these two lines. Solving 1 and 2. So if I solve 1 and 2, first line is 4x plus 7y minus 3 equal to 0. And I'm going to give a multiply of 2 in this. And this will become 4x minus 6y plus 2 equal to 0. Subtract. This will become 7 plus 6 is 13y minus 5 is equal to 0. Which means y is equal to 5 upon 13. And if I put in 1, this will become 4x plus 7 into y value minus 3 equal to 0. 4x plus 35 minus 39 whole upon 13 equals to 0. 4x equal to 4 upon 13, right? 4. 4 get cancelled. X equal to 1 upon 13. So, point of intersection of line 1 and 2 is 1 upon 13, comma 5 upon 13. Right, let us make use of this point. Since our desired line, this line, is passing through this point. Since the desired line, whose equation we have to determine, since the desired line x plus y equal to a passes through the point of intersection of line 1 and 2, which is 1 upon 13 comma 5 upon 13. So what to do? Just put the value of x and y. This point will satisfy this equation. And here I get a is equal to 6 upon 13. So desired equation is, just in this line put a value. X plus y equals to a. A is 6 upon 13. Just check the answer, students. I hope it should be correct. Let's move towards the next question. It was question number 12th. Question number 13th की तरफ बात करते हैं. Someone in the class. Praved, will you read question 13th?
Yes, sir.
Praved, please read and मुझको suggest कीजिएगा कि how to begin. Yes.
Show that the equation of the line passing through the origin and making an angle theta with the line y is equals to m1x plus c is y upon x is equals to m plus minus tan theta upon 1 minus plus m tan theta.
Praved, can you repeat this?
Yes, sir. The line passes through origin and make an angle theta with the line y is equals to mx plus c.
Y equal to mx plus c line c theta angle create कर रही है. Okay.
Is y upon x is equals to m plus minus tan theta upon 1 minus plus m tan theta.
Okay. Okay. So quite similar like question we have done, है ना? So it's m1. Praved, any suggestion? I know.
Sir, I am reading the question right now.
हाँ?
Earlier this time.
क्या चीज?
सर मैं इसको अंडरस्टैंड करने की थोड़ी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. वो लैंग्वेज थोड़ी सही नहीं लगी मुझे इसकी.
क्या कहा? समझा नहीं मैंने. क्या कहा तुमने, प्रवेद?
सर कुछ नहीं कहा मैंने.
हाँ, मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि quite similar like question we have done just 2-3 question पहले कि two lines are given, एक line का equation मुझे पता है and x multiplied is slope, so it's m1 is m, and the other line I have to get this equation I have to get, and I know that this is passing through 0 0, and this makes an angle of theta with the other line, but its slope I don't know. So if its slope I can use y minus y1, our favorite equation, y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1, right? This will become equation of our desired line, x1 y1 will be 0 0, only m to get. So to get m, let us use tan theta formula between angle between two lines. So let slope of our desired line is m2, is m2, ठीक है, m1 already is m, that is, now tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 whole upon 1 plus m1 m2, and this will become tan theta is equal to m minus m2 upon 1 plus m into m2. Let us get, our target is to get the value of m2. So to solve modulus equation, the way is that you remove modulus sign and attach plus minus on the other side, and then we take two cases, do the same. So this means m1 is m minus m2 whole upon 1 plus m2 is equal to plus minus tan theta. Case 1, m minus m2 upon 1 plus m2 is equal to tan theta. Cross multiply, m minus m2 is equal to tan theta plus m2 tan theta. Let us take m2 terms together. So m plus tan theta is equal to m2 plus m2 tan theta. m2 common, 1 plus m tan theta is equal to m plus tan theta, which means m2 is equal to m plus tan theta upon 1 plus m tan theta. Here I have got the slope, point is 0 0, so desired equation can be written. Desired equation will be y minus y1. So yes, 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 मैंने कुछ error किया, m minus tan theta आएगा, thank you, m minus tan theta will come. This is yes. So equation of desired line is y minus 0 is equal to this full value into x minus 0. Y upon x ले लेता हूँ, x on the left side let us take. So here is my first answer. So y upon x equal to m minus tan theta upon 1 plus m tan theta. This is now case 2. In case 1 I took here plus minus was there. Case 1 I have taken plus, now you take minus sign. So m minus m2 upon 1 plus m2 equal to minus tan theta. Cross multiply. Okay. Cross multiply. This will give me m minus m2 equal to minus tan theta plus minus m2 tan theta. Take all m2 containing terms in one side, so shifting. So m2 tan theta minus m2 is equal to minus m minus tan theta, m2 common, m tan theta minus 1 is equal to minus common m plus tan theta, which means m2 is equal to minus है नीचे इसमें mix कर देता हूँ, this will be m plus tan theta upon 1 minus m tan theta. So here I have got m2. Now equation of our desired line can be written. So equation of desired line is y minus point through the line passes is 0 0, y minus 0 is equal to m x minus 0. So this will become y upon x equal to m plus tan theta upon 1 minus m tan theta. So two answers we have got, and first answer was y upon x equal to m minus tan theta upon 1 plus m tan theta. Second answer is y upon x equal to m plus tan theta upon 1 minus m tan theta. So if in the numerator is minus, then denominator sign is plus, and if numerator it contains plus, then in denominator it is minus. So we can combine these two answers. So combining both cases, desired line is, equation of desired line is, I'm writing plus minus. Okay, so I'm combining both the answers, and together we can write, they can be written as y upon x equal to m plus minus tan theta upon 1 minus plus m tan theta. Okay. If I take plus minus, then here I have taken minus plus. Meaning is that they both are of opposite sign, right? This is our final answer, and perhaps this only was required to prove, right? This was question up to question number 13th. I think we have completed 1 hour, or it is good enough for today's session. Thank you, students, for attending